I'm disappointed. I'm very fucking disappointed. Billy Jr. died. But it ain't my fault. Nathan are dead. Goddamn fucking water heater was faulty. Go on for a little bit and go up. For the last 3 days, goddamn water's cold. I just can't fucking win, can I? So, after work, I gotta drag his dead ass out of the fucking pond. Put him back in the fucking bag. Take that fucking water heater out. Put that back in the fucking box and say, hey, look. This is bullshit. And he was the best fish. He was the dominant one. Now I gotta get one of the fucking retards. Yeah, I'm not gonna stop. I got 4 more. Had to get another water heater. God damn it, man. I hate dealing with this shit. I keep fucking dying. And this time here, I got the solution. I got the water heater. Yeah. Every time I stuck my hand in the goddamn water or touched the fucking glass, the water was cold. Sure, the red light came on for 15 fucking seconds and went out. I tried fucking with it yesterday. There's nothing to adjust, nothing to set. I unplugged it, wait a little bit, plug it back in, red light come on for 15 seconds, go back out again. Poor little fish swam right next to it, because when it did come on for that 15 seconds, the poor little fish swam next to it, trying to get warm. That was fucking sad. He died next to the fucking water heater. The fish need to be at 78 degrees. Not Billy Badass, though. I believe Billy Badass, he lived without one. I don't think I had a water heater in that 10-gallon tank. I had them in, this is a 20-gallon tank. Yeah, I read the fucking thing, and it's for a 30-gallon and 60-gallon tank. This is a 20-gallon tank. I don't think that would have an issue. If they're gonna come on no matter what. Come on and then fucking, as soon as the water gets warm, turn off. The water never got fucking warm. Why would it turn off? So yeah, tomorrow I'll get one for a 20-gallon tank. 10-gallon, 20-gallon. I think there was one. They're cheaper, but I got the most expensive one, thinking, okay, I got the best one. Top of the line. The fucker didn't work. That would be weird, though, if I stuck it in a 55-gallon tank and that fucking works. Y'all think that would make a difference? Let me know. Alright? Let me know if you think it's a difference between how much water is in the tank. I don't think that would make a goddamn difference. It's a 200-watt, 30-60-gallon heater for a fish tank. And it's in a 20-gallon tank. It's right there. You see it right there. That's a 20-gallon tank. Yeah. That's a 20-gallon tank. And the water is ice fucking cold. Y'all let me know. I'll be back about 5 p.m. tonight. after I go get the new one, the new fish and the new heater. They say you should wait 24 hours before you put the fish in there. So you're saying get the heater first, plug it in, then the next day go get the fish? You'd think the fucker will work right away. You know, heat up the fucking water. 24 hours. It's 48 hours. That water is fucking cold. Y'all let me know, okay? This is Crawfish. Subscribe. Bye. Another fucking sad day. Can't take this shit.